All right, so if you guys saw in the last video, we put in the Wi-Fi card. We had no issues doing that. But what happened is, if you obviously watched the last video, when I was taking this latch apart, because like I said, you can keep this together and try to put it back on, like when these two are together, but it's damn near impossible. So you ideally want to separate this from that, because it's a lot easier to put back the case after. But what ended up happening is my ribbon cable jumped out. First time ever. Was not the intention of the video, but we're gonna have to try to fix it. So what happens, your ribbon cable goes right there if you can see, and there's a latch that you can push open. So you can just use like a butter knife like this and open it up. You see it clicks open. It even comes upwards a little bit onto like a little 45-degree angle if you can see that. And what you wanna do is take this ribbon cable. Put this like that. Actually doesn't matter. But okay, if you see here, it has these little like teeth marks, right? So I tried doing this last night off a video and I put it this way. That didn't seem to work. I think it was the opposite way. So what we're gonna wanna do is these little teeth marks that you see here in this, you're gonna want it to be like flat against the board, if that makes sense. So we're gonna take this ribbon cable and go like so. So turn it like that, and then we need to find that little hole. This is very finicky and my hands are the shakiest on the planet. So if I'm able to do this, you guys should be able to do this no problem. But what you're gonna wanna do is slide that in, like so. Actually, hold on, I messed it up. Let me put this flat. Just leave it open, maybe it'll be easier. So let me push that into there. I don't have it. It has to go in, like it's hard to get it in. Try one more time. Okay. It appears I have got it. Okay. It appears I have got it. If you can zoom in, maybe you can see a little bit better, but it looks like it's clipped in. I believe that's the right way for it. Hopefully it stays clipped in. If you're taking the ribbon cable apart, keep in mind this thing that goes over it, you're gonna have to like unloosen that before you pop that open or it won't be able to come out, right? But from here, what I'm seeing, it looks like it's sitting in there proper. So let me try to put it back in. I'll line up those teeth. Go like so. Pops in, whoops. There we go. So that's sitting like it should. This we're gonna line up on top and don't push anything. Just line it up on top like that. Loosen this just a tiny bit and then pop that in. Let me check that still, looks like it's still in there. Pop that back, like so. So now the top, the side, I mean the back, the top, all that is good. We just need to put in this sync button. And it's only one way it can go. Slides in simply like that. And then we're gonna put this back on. And this is the first time that's ever happened to me. It wasn't the intention of the video. Okay, so we put it back together. This is gonna be the test if it turns back on, if I set it up correctly. Boom. And that's how you put the ribbon cable back together. Like I said, I tried it last night, but I did it the opposite way. So those little teeth marks that you see on the ribbon cable, you want them to be like, you know what I mean? Across the board, like into the board like that. So I don't know why the heck it just turned off like that, but let me go to, probably because it's not in the right setting here. Yeah. So the reason it turned off that first time is because I didn't have it on this setting, but that is how you put the ribbon cable back together. I never planned on making this video, but I had to because, you know, that's what we messed up last night when we were doing the Wi-Fi card. Hope it helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right? Peace.